welcome back to a new video. Today I am here because I am going to be filming a video on the Revlon one-step hair dryer. This tool has been raved about a lot on social media, everyone trying it out, so I thought I'd give it a try myself and show you guys what my results end up being like. So if you're interested in seeing what my hair turns out to look like, just keep on watching. So usually what I put in my hair right after I shower is the nourishing hair cream, and it's like argan oil. I usually get this at Marshall's, and that's usually what I put in my hair after.
Actually, you get it at Walmart.
Oh, actually I get it at Walmart. There's the Marshall's tag, baby. So that's what it looks like. So that's usually what I put on my hair right after. I go in with this Tresemme. So then I go in with this Tresemme leave-in spray, heat protectant. So this works really well. I really like it. So that's pretty much all I do to my hair before I start putting any heat on it. So usually what I do is I part my hair whenever I'm going to. So let's see. I'm excited, guys. All right, let's see what this thing does. All right, guys, so far, this is what it's looking like. Let me just do a little bit more right here. All right, guys, so far, this is what we have. I think towards the end, I'm gonna go in more with the, like, try to do more of the waved ends, but for now, this is what we got here. And it dries the hair pretty fast, actually.
love, I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you.
All right, guys, so this has only been 15 minutes later. Okay, it's only been 15 minutes later. I think it's pretty damn good. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and go in with it one more time to get the ends that I want to. But you guys, for 15 minutes, my baby hairs. For 15 minutes, this is not bad. Like, this is not bad at all. I'm not mad at it. I'm really loving it, I could say. But let's see. Let me finish and then I'll let you guys know my final thoughts. So I am all done and my hair, it feels so good. It feels so good, and this literally only took me 15. I literally did all of this in 15 minutes and my hair was wet. I did this in 15 minutes and it looks really, really good. 15-20 minutes. I should have timed it, but it's about 15-20 minutes. I do have extremely long hair, but I'm so excited. Let me show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys, so this is only using the blow dryer, shampoo, conditioner, and then my leave-in. What I mentioned to you guys, this and the spray. But I usually, every time I style my hair, I usually will go in with this. I know it's super old school, but I really like this stuff and it smells good. I usually go in with the shine spray and a little bit of the silk infusion, but I really don't feel like I need it today. Yes. Maybe I might put a little bit of hairspray here on my little flyaways, but that's it, guys. Let me get up to show you guys what it looks like. Guys, and this outfit here is from Walmart. Just wanted to show you guys real quick. All right, so I got this outfit at Walmart. I DIY'd the shorts a little bit, but these tanks are so nice. But anyway, that's not what we're here to talk about today. This is what my hair looks like. This is the length of my hair, guys. I'm telling you guys, it's really long. So for the time that it took, it really didn't take long to do, and I absolutely love it. So on a scale of 1 through 10, I really give this a 10. Like, it's really good. I definitely recommend this hair dryer. I mean, it saves a lot of time. I know us moms like me, I hardly ever do my hair because it takes me a while. So now I feel like I could just take a quick shower, whatever, do whatever I'm gonna do, and dry it and get this. But anyways, guys, that's really what I wanted to share with you guys, and I wanted you guys to see what it ended up looking like. So I had actually mentioned it to my husband about getting a this blow dryer. And I know there's a lot of people out there that are like, I don't need to ask, but my husband and I have always been the type that, babe, I like this, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. Is it fine? I've been that way all the time. He's been that way all the time, even though he spoils the shit out of me. And he's like if I go to the store and I'm like, damn it, I bought too much crap, he'll be like, why are you trying to hide this from me? You know that I never give you crap over. He never really never ever has given me crap about buying the shit I do. But anyway, I'm like, babe, you know, I really want to get this blow dryer, and I had ordered it on Amazon before this whole quarantine thing happened, and it was on sale. I believe this retails for $59.99. It was on sale for $35 on Amazon. One of those deal pages had posted it, so I went ahead and ordered it, placed my order and everything, and it said it was going to take 3 weeks to get here. Well, then those 3 weeks came, and then it said it was delayed a week. So then after that week, it said out for delivery, should arrive tomorrow. But then they sent me an email saying that it was canceled because it was out of stock, yada yada yada. So then I waited a little bit, and then a couple weeks ago I was like, I still want it, like, you know, 1 or 2 weeks ago. But then I went on Amazon, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy it this time. And it was back in stock, regular price, but I was like, hey, it's good, I don't care, I'm gonna get it. Not only did I buy myself one, but we got an extra one, and we are going to be giving this away to one of you special ladies. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is be subscribed to our channel, follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to be putting a post on Instagram, and it's going to tell you the directions on there, or you know what to do to enter the giveaway. But pretty much it's gonna be add me on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and comment on the picture, and that's pretty much all you have to do to enter the giveaway. And we will probably be choosing a winner to this next week. So today is a Friday, June 5th, and we'll probably be doing the giveaway winner next Saturday. If you guys would like to enter this giveaway, go ahead and check out my Instagram. I'll put it somewhere right here. If not, it'll be linked down below. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed today's hair tutorial, and good luck to every single one of you that enters the giveaway. And we are going to go ahead and go on with our day. It is Friday morning. It is 7:48. And Alessandro, you want to come close out today's video with me? Come on. I'm gonna wait for you. Alright guys, so I do have a little special guest here. He's still in his pajamas. Mama woke up really early this morning when Dad left to work.
And Daddy coming up to the graduation.
Oh, he's not gonna go to the graduation. So I was up this morning really quick. So I was up this morning about 4:30, and my husband left to work. I decided to stay up, clean a little bit. I took a shower, did my makeup, and then now it's 7:49. So we're gonna go ahead and have breakfast and get these kiddos ready in a little bit, because today is my little sister's promotion. So we're gonna go ahead and do the...
I'll show them my birdie.
Okay, go ahead and bring them. Alessandro wants to show you guys his birds. He just got these yesterday, and you need to clean their cage right now, baby.
That one looks black and way back and it looks cold to me. It looks cold.
No, he won't poke you. Alright, so he got some birdies yesterday. Some parakeets.
Mommy, he like to be higher. Mommy.
Oh, I think Mommy's gonna drop. Oh my goodness. Alright, we'll fix it right now. He's very excited over them. He's been wanting them for a really long time, so he finally got them. And here they are.
And then these
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and end today's video here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Remember next time.
Make sure you hit that little bell button so you get notified every time we post a new video. But we're gonna go ahead and have breakfast now and continue with our day. It's gonna be a very fun day today and get you out of those PJs and have a good Friday. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you on our next video.
Stop watching, bye.
Through the wastelands